Hey guys, it's been a whole minute. I done wrecked my darn truck and then I had the house froze. You know, we was warm inside, but the pipe froze. And I've been working on this darn knife here. I got the guard cut down to the length. I'm gonna do some shaping today, I think. Finally got a little warm enough. But I done went through all of this. And let me see. This. These two done changed my mind on all of it to come up with this. Sorry about that, guys. Mama came out for a second. But what I'm gonna do is take a piece of this Opal G10 and I've cut the shape of my tang out. I got a little, as you see, a little rust bar there. I gotta do some deal on. I'm gonna take this leopard wood and I'm gonna sandwich it. Now, this G10 is too thick for my tang, so what I'm going to do is I'll glue it to one side, and this is what we're going to be looking at for the final handle. It's going to be something like that right there, y'all. And naturally, that's a little bit longer than the handle. One of these days I'm going to make me one with a handle like that just for shits and grins, but the handle will probably be right about there, I'm thinking. Well, maybe right there. All right, y'all, thanks for getting in on this one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got.
Hey guys, I got something to show y'all now, so I'm back. Now, before I get started, man, y'all know we just went through a freeze over here in Texas. So wherever y'all at, most of my friends here in Texas are the ones that look at these videos. I had to call a plumber. And there's a place called Roto-Rooter in Temple. They sent a young man out to my house. First, their supervisor came out to triage the situation, called that man and let him know what he needed to bring. He was on another call. They sent him right over that day, the day I called. And I done called just about everybody else. And on the lark, I called Roto-Rooter, and here they come. And from now on, they'll be my plumber's of choice. Now, they ain't paying me nothing. And I'm sure that somebody's gonna get mad about me saying Roto-Rooter. I don't give a good goddamn. Those people right there, the young man's polite, they're on time, they're efficient, and they're cheap. You see what I mean? They get the job done. Now check this out, guys. I shortened that tang just a wee bit. And the reason that we use cheap super glue is so that we can do our fit up and get the little bit of a shape there we want. And then we take that cheap super glue and kind of tap it loose and it lets go, and we can go on and finish what we got to start. Now, I haven't decided whether I'm going to do a bed in the tang or just take that little piece down just a wee bit more. Probably gonna take the piece down just a wee tiny bit more. All right, y'all, man, appreciate it.